I'm James, and in this video, I will show you how to create a successful Shopify dropshipping store from start to finish, step by step, for complete beginners. Dropshipping is considered the best business model for people who want to earn money online without any experience, work from anywhere in the world, and who are on a tight budget. So, if you are looking to make money online, then you've come to the right place. Let me explain what dropshipping is with an example. In this video, we're gonna build this amazing jewelry store. When someone purchases this product from my store, I will go and buy it from the famous Chinese website, AliExpress, and send it directly to the customer. And of course, keep the profit, which is the difference between the selling price and the product cost. This process is fully automated, and it's called dropshipping. It means that I don't own any inventory, I don't do any shipping. The only thing I do is list products in my store and market them. If you follow this video, by the end of it, you will have your own dropshipping store, and you can start selling online. A quick note: we are not selling you anything. There are no courses or pitches, and the truth is that you do not need to spend any money to learn how to start a dropshipping store. We're going to show you everything that you need to launch a profitable dropshipping store. So, without further ado, let's get started. In this step, I will show you how to choose your store niche, or in other words, what to sell on your dropshipping store. There are many ways to find amazing products, but the simplest and most effective way is to go to AliExpress.com. AliExpress is a famous Chinese website, offers amazing products in cheap prices, and it's considered as #1 dropshipping supplier. You will find millions of products in all categories. For example, many people find success in the fashion niche. If you highlight the cursor on top of women's fashion, you'll get here a list of top brands inside AliExpress that specialize in women fashion. Let's click on this one for example. We will go to the brand store page inside AliExpress. You can take a closer look at this brand, the prices, products, collections. And you can go up here and click on dresses for example, and you will get a list of all dresses offered by this brand. So if you like it, you can add products from it to your dropshipping store. Let's go back to home page. And for example, search for dresses. You will get thousands of products, but in order to see the top brands who are selling the best dresses, you can view them here on the left side. Let's click on this one. You will get all dresses from this brand. And if you click here on the brand name, then you will be redirected to brand page inside AliExpress, and you can take a closer look at this brand products. There are many categories inside AliExpress that you can choose from. You can sell jewelry, watches, pet supplies, and many more. Some people create multiple dropshipping stores in different niches, but my advice to you is to sell something that you are passionate about. The second way to get ideas for your dropshipping business is to Google dropshipping stores examples. You will get thousands of results. Let's click on the first one. Go down, and let's check this dropshipping store. Let's see this product on AliExpress. The cost of this product is almost $3, and it's priced here by $16, which is a healthy profit margin. You can see that this store is selling all kinds of products, from pet supplies to kitchen tools, to office supplies, and it's called General Store. I don't recommend these kind of stores, and I always prefer the niche stores. Let's go back and check another store. This store is selling lights. Let's check this product inside AliExpress. The product price is around $30, and here it's $134, so this store is making around $100 selling this product. You can find inspiration here for your dropshipping store niche, but for me, I always find success going to AliExpress and follow my passion. The store we gonna build in this tutorial is in jewelry niche, so in the next step, we will learn how to choose a name for your store and create a logo. In this step, we will choose a name for our dropshipping store and create a free logo, so this step is all about branding. First, go to a website called leandomainsearch.com. This website will generate name suggestions and will help us find a good name for our store. Our store will be in the jewelry niche, so let's write here jewelry and hit search. We got all these domain name suggestions, and we can filter them and choose the appropriate name. Note that the best domain names are the ones that are easy to remember. After going through the list, I found this name, jewelryawesome.com, and I believe it is a good one. The next step is to create a logo for our store. We go to a website called canva.com, and you can register for free. Click here on Create Design and search for logo. Here, you will have many ready-made logo templates to choose from. Let me search here for jewelry. Note that templates with a crown badge mean they are only available for the Pro version, but still you can find good free templates. Let me choose this logo. We're going to write here our store name, Jewelry Awesome, and you can move the graphics and change the colors. Also, you can change the font type from here. Then, when you are happy with the design, click on Share. Make sure it's in PNG format, and then hit Download. In this step, we gonna register at Shopify, the world's best e-commerce platform. First, click on the link in the description in order to get a 14-day trial on Shopify, so you can start earning money before you pay anything. It's going to bring you to a page that's similar to this. Enter your email and click Start Free Trial. Now choose a password and enter your store name, the one we chose at the previous step, and it's going to be Jewelry Awesome. It says here name is taken, but don't worry, just add online. This is not your domain name. The domain name is available and we are going to register it later in this video. Then just hit Create Your Store. Here are some general questions, so click Skip, then Skip, and choose your country. And click on Enter Your Store. Now, we're in our new Shopify store, and this is called the dashboard, so this is what it will look like. The first thing we're going to do is to pick a plan, so click here on Select a Plan. So these are the 3 plan options that are currently available. For most people watching this video, the basic Shopify plan will be more than enough to launch their new store. However, you want to keep in mind that these plans have differences, and one of the main differences is the transaction fee. But for this video, I'm gonna simply choose the basic Shopify plan because this is the one that will work for most people watching this video. So I'm gonna click on Choose this plan right here. And then we have to decide on our billing cycle here. You can go for monthly or yearly. The higher the period, the higher the discount. But for me, I will go for monthly. And then click on Add Address and insert your details. In the address field, you can enter your personal details or your company details if you have one. And then click on Save. You're gonna have to add a payment method. However, keep in mind, you're still on the 14-day free trial. So, if you do cancel or close your store before the 14 days are over, your credit card will not be charged. Click on Add Credit Card. And click here on Select Plan. Note the billed now amount is 0. Last step is to confirm our email address. Check your email. Click here, and now our email is successfully confirmed. And by this, we activated our Shopify store. Now let's move to the next step and add product to our store. Before we start designing the store, we are going to add products from AliExpress in our store. Shopify has an app store where many useful apps can be added to our website, and we will cover it later in this video. But for now, we are going to install a very important app, which automates the process of dropshipping and allows us to import products from AliExpress in a single click and also auto-fulfill the orders. Click on Add Apps. Here is the app that we want to install, DSers. But if you can't find it here, go to Shopify App Store. Search for DSers. Click on Add App, and then Install App. Choose here the free plan. It's more than enough. And now we are going to link this app with our account in AliExpress. Click here on AliExpress, and then log into your account. If you don't have one, click on Register, enter your location, your email and password, and create a new account. And here, Grant authorization by going down and clicking on Authorize. Click on I will explore freely and learn later. Don't worry, I'm gonna walk you through this app. Next, search for DSers Chrome extension on Google. Click here. And then add it to Chrome. And click Add Extension. Back to DSers app. We are going now to Setup Settings. Click on Settings. Then click on Pricing Rules. And activate Pricing Templates. In this step, we will set up general pricing rules for imported products from AliExpress. At pricing cost, choose Multiply, which multiplies the product cost by the number you specify. For example, a product that costs $10 with a multiplier of 4 is priced at $40 in your Shopify store. Next is the Compared at Price, which is an artificial product sale that you can create in your online store. It is mainly used to simulate product sales in your Shopify store. If you set the Compared at Price multiplier to 7, then the product appears in your Shopify store with a cost reduction from $70. Click here on Save. Go all the way down and tick Assign Cents. You can assign cents to your product prices to round them off and make them appear cheaper than they are. I'm going to add here 99. Click on Save. Next step, click on Notifications and activate notification when a product is out of stock and in case of a price change. That's it for DSers settings. Now, let's go to AliExpress.com and add products to our store. As agreed, our store is in the jewelry niche, so let's search here for rings for example. You find here so many products, but in order to find the high-rated brands, on the left side of the search page, you'll find the major brands that specialize in rings. Let's select this one for example. All rings made by this supplier will be listed here. And if we click here on the brand name, we can see the brand page inside AliExpress. It seems like a very good brand with good reviews and nice collections. Prices are competitive as well. Let me go back and check another brand. Let me click on this one here. This brand seems to have very nice collections, and the prices are competitive. So let me go to the brand store inside AliExpress. And here under Products, choose Rings. All rings from this brand will be shown here. So let's choose this ring and send it to our Shopify store. Click on it. We have to check one more thing before sending this product to Shopify store. We have to ensure that this supplier has good shipping rates to the countries we want to sell to. It's mostly the big four: USA, Canada, United Kingdom, and Australia. But if you want to sell to a different country, choose it from this list and make sure the supplier ships to it. So if you notice here, it ships to the United States, and if I click on More Options, more info here says that it ships to the United States with free shipping, and there is tracking available. So this is exactly what I want. In order to check any other country, go here and, for example, let me search for UK. Apply and click on More Options. I see that they have free shipping as well to the UK, and tracking is available. So this is a really good supplier, and we will consider it. So in order to send this product to Shopify store, simply click here on Add to DSers. And as you notice, it starts importing the product, and this message pop up here. AliExpress product import successfully. As simple as this. Let's go to DSers and click on Import List. We will find this product in the import list. So the import list in DSers gives us the chance to work on the product details before sending it to our store. You can import as many products as you want. Let me go back and add another product. We're gonna add different product from the same supplier. This time, let's add earrings. Choose this one for example. Click here on Add to DSers. And it's added successfully. Go back to the import list and click Refresh. The two products are shown here. Now, before sending the product to the Shopify store, we're going to edit it. Click here. The first thing we want to change is the product title. Always try to find an easy and simple name instead of this long name. So, for example, I will call it Rainbow Love Ring. The next step, click on the Variants tab, and here you can see all product variants, whether it's color or sizes. The Description tab shows the description imported from AliExpress. You have two options here. first is to remove all unnecessary lines, like model number, country of origin, etc. The second option is to write your own description that will sound more appealing to customers. So let me delete this one. I will keep here the shape, delete this, and this one. And of course origin, I'm gonna delete it because I don't want anyone to know that this product is originated from China. Delete occasion, delete the model number, and delete all other unnecessary lines. The other way is adding your own description. I have this description ready, and you can write a similar one. Next is the most important tab, which is the Images tab. All product images will appear here, and we want to select only the images without brand logo in order to send it to our store. So untick the images that have brand name and select the images without brand name. And then click on Save. So, after finishing working on this ring, highlight the mouse here and click on Push to Shopify. Select Also Published to Online Store and click on Push to Shopify. Now, if I go to the Shopify dashboard and click on Products, we find this ring added to the store. Click on it. Remember that you can still make all sorts of changes from here as well. And if you notice here, prices have changed. The price is $43.99, which is the product cost at AliExpress, multiplied by 4. Remember DSER's pricing rules. And in order to see this product page in our store, just go up here and click on Preview. Of course, we still need to work on the store design in the next step. But here you can find all the images, price, description, ring size, and quantity. And it looks just amazing. As you see, it's very simple, and anyone can start selling in less than 24 hours without owning any inventory. I added all these products, and I want to show you something really quick. Let's click on this product. Sometime you have tagged images, which has the brand logo. I will show you how we can remove the logo. Click on Image, and click down here on Draw. Make sure to choose white color. Increase the brush size, and now hover your mouse over the logo and it will disappear. Click on Done and Save. But what if the logo is on top of the image, similar to this one? How we can remove it? Click on it and download it from here. Now open the image in a software called Inpaint. This is amazing software. It costs only $19. I will leave a link to it in the description. Highlight the logo and then click on Erase, and the logo is disappeared. Magic. Save the changes. Go back here and click on Delete. Now, upload the image which has no logo. If you like this video so far, we appreciate giving us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And by this, we are done with this part, and let's move to the next part and create product collections. What I want to do is creating some collections from scratch. Click on Products and then on Collections right here. So I'm gonna delete this homepage collection, which is set up by default. So I'm gonna select it and then go to More Actions, Delete Collection, Confirm. And now I end up with no collections. So click on Create Collection to start creating a new collection. So we can give it a title. In my case, I'm just gonna name it Rings. Then I also want to add an image for this collection. You can use free websites like pexels.com to get nice images. And then for collection type, I'm gonna click on Manual because we're gonna be manually adding products to this collection. Click on Save. Now go down, click on Browse, and choose the products which has rings. And then click on Add. We can go back right here to our collections, and we can see that we have set up a new collection, Rings. And now, we can do the same process for all the other collections that we want to add on our store. The next collection I'm gonna add is the Trending Products. This collection will contain all products that we want it to be listed on homepage. Usually, this is the products which have highest profit, or we just want to focus on. Click on Create Collection. Call it here Trending, or maybe something like Best Sellers. Click on Manual and then Save. Click on Browse and select products that you want to list on homepage. It's preferably 8 or 12 products. When done, click on Add. Add image here as well. and then click on Save. Last step is to select all collections, click on More Action, and then choose Make Collection Available. Let's move now to the next step and start designing our store. In this step, we're going to design our store. First step is to select a theme. There are free themes and there are paid themes, and I'm going to show you amazing free themes that you can use. I've personally used free themes, and I've made millions of dollars with free themes, so it's not like you absolutely need a paid theme. Now, click on Online Store, and then Themes, and then scroll down and click on Explore Free Themes. And here is where you can get all the free themes that you need. They have a lot of amazing free ones. And for the purpose of this video, I'm actually going to be designing the store with the default theme, Dawn. It's very good one. If you want to select any other theme, click on it. Then add to theme library. It's being added here, and it will take a couple of minutes. And once done, click Action, and then Publish. But as said, I will continue with default theme Dawn, so I won't publish this one. Now, we want to start building out our store. So, we're gonna scroll up again, and then we're gonna click on Customize. Now, we are in the editor of Shopify, which we can use to build out our online store website. So I'm gonna give you a quick overview over how this works, and then we're gonna start building our website. Here on the top, you can switch from different pages. So right now we are on the home page. You can also switch to your product pages, to your collection pages, and so on. But most of the work we're gonna do here on the home page, and you're gonna see that all the other pages, like product pages, checkout pages, are already built up for you. So there's not much design that we have to do on these pages. Then you can also change from desktop view to mobile view or full screen view. So eventually, you want to make sure that your store looks very good on mobile as well, because a lot of the traffic nowadays online comes actually from mobile phones. However, we're gonna build out everything here on the desktop view. Then the site is built up in different sections. So it always starts with a header section here on the top, and then on all the way in the bottom, there's the footer section, where you're gonna have a couple of links and your legal pages and so on. And in between the header and the footer, there are the sections, which you can decide what you want to put in here. Actually, it's extremely simple, so let's start building. And we gonna start from the top and select announcement bar. You can see it here on the top of your website. This is a very good place where you can boost sales by giving your customers a discount code, or you can also just type in something like free shipping. But in our case, because we are launching a dropshipping store, we will write here, free shipping worldwide. We'll talk more on this when we work on shipping settings. Click on Back. The next step is to click on the header here on the left side. And the first thing we're gonna do is adding logo to our store. Click here on Change, and then select Image. And click on Upload Image, and choose the logo that we have prepared in the previous section. And click on Select. You can increase or decrease custom logo width from here. And you can change desktop logo position from here as well. You can change it to top left or top center, but I will keep it as it is, cause it looks good on design. Click on Back. So that's already everything we're gonna do to the header right now. You can also see this menu right here, which is part of our header. However, we're gonna adjust these menu items later in this tutorial. And the next section is this image banner section right here, where we can simply put an image to reflect your brand. Click on Image Banner. In order to find nice image, we will go to a website called pexels.com, which provides royalty-free images. Type jewelry here and hit search. Go to Filters and select Horizontal Orientation and choose one of these images that you feel it communicates your brand. I'm gonna select this image. I'm gonna download it here in large size. Now I'm gonna go back to my store. Click on Change, select Image, and then Upload. And click on Select. You can go down here and increase, decrease, image overlay opacity, and you can control the brightness of the image. Click on Back. Next step, click on Image Banner, and let's write here something like, bring sparkle to everyday life. You just need to write short sentence that talks about your brand. Go back, click on Text, and write here something like, jewelry fit every budget, occasion, and taste. You can Google short sentences about jewelry to have some inspiration. Go back and click on button. Here you can change the button label, and you can select the destination when someone clicks this button. Now it's assigned for all products. You can change specific page product collection, but I advise you to keep it this way. And we will keep the button label as it is. Click on back. We are going to work now on the next section, rich text. Here you can put message and talk a little bit about your brand. But for me, I always prefer simplicity, so I'm going to remove this section altogether. So click on rich text here, and go down and click on remove section. So this section is no longer in our store. The next section is featured collection. Click on it. Go down and click on change collection. And here we gonna select the trending collection, which we created in the previous step. And all products in this collection will appear here. Click on select. And up here, we gonna rename the heading into best selling, or maybe you can write trending products. Click on back. Now the next two sections, collage and video, I'm gonna remove them to make the website simple and clear. Click on remove section here, and go to video section, and click remove section as well. And here at multi-column section, we will list our collections. In the heading, write collections, and change image width to full width of column. And here the number of column is 3. If you have more collections, you can increase it. Go back, click on first column, and let's add rings collection here. Go to pexels.com and pick nice image. Click on select image and upload it. Click on select. Right here rings. And here delete the description. It's not necessary. And at the link, select rings collection. And at the link label, write shop now. Let me add the rest of collections fast. Okay, all collection are added and they look very nice. Now, I want to move the collections on top of featured products. So click here and drag it this way. Our home page is now almost complete. We have the banner, then the collection, and then the best-selling products. Similar stores generated millions of dollars. The key here is simplicity. Go up here and click on save. Make sure to save all changes, otherwise you will lose them. If you want to see the full screen, click here. And also you can check mobile view. Your store will be mobile friendly. And let me tell you that Shopify has high conversion rates on mobile. Go back to desktop view, and in order to exit the website editor, click here, and you will be directed back to the website dashboard. Now if we want to check the website outside website editor, click here on the eye icon. The website will open in new tab. You can check the website, and all the details, and as you see we have very nice online store. Let's click on this product. Here you will have all the details, price, quantity, and images. If you notice, there are some spaces between description lines, so in order to amend it, go back to dashboard, and click on products, and choose this product, and then remove all spaces, just to make it more appealing to customers. We can also highlight all lines, and click on bolded list, and then save it. If we go back here and refresh the page, we will find the changes applied on the product description. If we go down, we will find these tabs, and they are unnecessary, so we'll take them out. And we'll remove this section as well. And here you can find the section. You may also like products, and this is really good, because it can increase your sales. Go up and click here on Add to Cart. Now we are in the cart page, and you can check your order summary. Click on Checkout. You will see here the checkout page, and customer can continue with purchase. It's not ready 100%, because we still need to work on shipping and payment settings. But I just want to show you that our amazing store is almost complete. Let's amend product page's design. Click on Online Store, and then click on Customize. Let's go to the product page. Click on Default Product. First, we want to remove the tabs here. Click on the eye icon here, and it will be hidden. Make sure to hide all tabs. And keep the share field active. Hide image with text section as well. And hide multi-column. Now, we have a beautiful product page that converts well. And you can see here, you may also like section, and that's really good. Click on Save. Now let's edit collection page. Choose it from here. Click on Default Collection. On the left side, click on Product Grid. You can decide how many products per page and how many columns on desktop. And here, for example, you can choose to show second image on Hoover. You can play with it and decide what you want. But as said, there's not much design that we have to do on these pages, because these pages are already built up for you. The last page we want to look at is the checkout page. Click here on Checkout, and then click on Open Checkout Settings. The only change here is adding logo to the checkout page. So go down here to Logo, and click on Select Image. Choose the logo, and click on Select. And the logo will appear here. So by this, our store design is complete. The only pending part is the header and the footer, which will be covered shortly. Currently, the existing domain of our store is this one right here. So this is what people have to go to in order to access our store, which obviously looks very ugly with My Shopify here in the URL. So what we want to do is get our own branded domain and connect it to our Shopify store. Click on Settings and go down and click Domains. Click on Buy New Domain, and then type in the domain you are looking for right here. So our domain will be jewelryawesome.com. It says available. Click on Buy. Go down and click on Buy Domain. It only cost $14 per year. The purchase is done successfully. Buying domain through Shopify will create email for us, and the email here, info@jewelryawesome.com. And you can create as many email as you want by clicking on Add Forwarding Email Address. So let's create another email, support@jewelryawesome.com. And I insert here the receiving email address, which all emails will be auto-forwarded to it. Click on Save, and your new email is created successfully. Great, let's go to Store Details, and click on Contact Information. Change this email, which customers see if you email them. Change it to support@jewelryawesome.com, so customers will receive professional email in the domain name. Click on Save. Last step is to check your email and verify domain information. Go down and click on Verify Information. Now contact information is verified. Let's see our website with the new domain. Click here on the eye icon. We will find our new domain fully connected with our store, along with security lock here, which represents the SSL certificate. And this is really amazing. Let's move now to the next step. In this step, we're gonna add legal pages, like refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service, and so on. Click on Settings, and go down to Policies. Now the cool thing with Shopify is that they already have some templates for different policies that are required to put on your online store. Simply click on Create from Template right here, and then they will create a refund policy for your specific store, with your email and so on. You can do the same thing with your privacy policy right here, and also with your terms of service. Then on the bottom, the shipping policy. You're gonna have to add it manually, because this is really specific to your online store. I will add here a standard shipping policy for dropshipping stores, and I will leave a link to this policy in description. And here at Contact Information, just add your store email, the one with domain name. Click on Save. Then we gonna go to Online Store. Click on Pages. You will notice that there is a page called Contact, which was created by default. Click on View Page. You gonna find Contact Form, and if any customer submit it, you will receive an email. Go back and let's create a new page, About Us. Click on Add Page. Right here at the title, About Us. And here in the content we can write whatever we want. I have ready template here, and I will leave copy of it in the description. Click on Save. Now let's move to the next step and work on the header and on footer. In this step, we will work on the website header and footer. Let's start working on the top menu, which is what people will use to navigate through your store. So you want to make sure to have the most important pages here on the top menu. Go to Online Store, Navigation, and then let's go to Main Menu right here. Now these are the pages that are set up by default. I'm actually gonna delete them all. Click on Add Menu Item. Go to Link, and then I'm gonna go to Collections. and add bracelet collection. And click on Add. Now, I'm gonna add the other collections as well. Also, you can add Contact Us page here, but I always prefer to add it in the footer. Click on Save. Let's go back to our website and click Refresh. We will find all changes applied and new menu items appear here. The next step is working on footer. Let's go back to navigation. Click on Footer menu. Delete this one. And click on Add menu items. Go to Link and click on Pages. We will add here About Us page and then Contact Us page. Then, we gonna add website policies. And we will start with shipping policy. And then we gonna add refund policy and so on. Now after adding all policies, click on Save. Refresh your website and you will find all changes applied on the footer. However, there is still some work to be done on footer. So go to Online Store and click on Customize. Go all the way down to Footer section. Untick Show Email Signup. Go back. And we gonna hide info by clicking on the eye icon. And we gonna hide our mission as well. Click here and change Quick Links to Customer Care. Go back and click on Theme Settings. Go down to Social Media, and here you can insert your store social media pages links. Let me add links for Facebook and Instagram. You will notice that small icons are added here. Click on Save. And by this, we finished working on the header and footer, and let's move now to the next step. In this step, we will work on shipping settings. Click on Settings, then Shipping and Delivery. So we can go to Manage Rates right here. And by default, there's already some shipping set up. So we have domestic shipping United States, with some rates already set right here, and then the rest of the world as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete all of these shipping zones right here. So I'm gonna click on Delete. And then also, delete rest of the world shipping right here. And I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna simply do free shipping for all products worldwide. Actually, free shipping will enhance the sales. Especially that shipping rates at AliExpress is mostly free, and we can cover it from profit. Click on Create Shipping Zone. Then here we can create different shipping zones for different countries. For example, we can create one for the United States, for Canada, and for other countries. Like I said, I'm gonna simply do one for the entire world to make this easy. Gonna choose the rest of the world right here. Click on Done. Click on Add Rate right here, and let's name this Free Shipping. And then we're gonna keep the price at $0. Click on Done, and now we have free shipping for all over the world. Click on Save. Next step is to click on Markets right here. Under Other Markets, click on Manage. Click on Edit up here. Click on Add Countries Regions, and here you can select to which countries you want to sell. You can choose specific country or continent. I highly advise you to select Europe, US, Australia, and Canada. Click on Done. Go back. And click on Activate. And by this, international sales has been activated. So now let's go to Payments. Here, we need to set up our payment providers so that our customers have options to check out and pay for the products. And we can also actually get paid when somebody buys something on our store. So the easiest payment provider is Shopify Payments. You can simply click on Complete Account Setup right here, enter all your information, and then people will be able to check out using credit cards, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and so on. Keep in mind though that Shopify Payments is only available in selected countries. If your country is not included, you still have the option to accept payments through PayPal only. And from my experience, 70% of transactions will happen through PayPal, so it's more than enough to start with. Now by default, PayPal will be activated on your store. You can click here and finalize the registration steps, or otherwise link an existing PayPal business account. The second option is to use alternative payment methods, like for example, Stripe, which is a more inexpensive way of processing your payments. Choose Visa here for example, and you will get a list of all payment gateways in your country. Click on the desired one, and then you can get redirected to the payment provider and finalize the setup. Now, let's move to the next step. In this step, we will add important apps to our store, which will help us increase sales. The first app is Currency Converter, which will allow customers to see prices in their local currency and buy more. To add this app, click here on Apps, search for Currency Converter. Choose this high-rated app, Best Currency Converter. It's the best. Click on Add App, and then Install App. Here you will have two plans, free and paid. The major difference that at free plan, you only have 5 currencies to choose from, and also, the currency will not be auto-switched based on the customer location. So I'm gonna select paid plan. Anyways, you have 30 days free trial. Click here on Approve. Click here, go down to step 4. We have to do some changes at currency formatting. Go back to Dashboard and click on Settings. Go down to Store Currency and click on Change Formatting. Go back to the App Settings and go down to step 5. Copy this code here. Go back to Settings and paste this code in front of the formatting text. Here and here. We go now to step 6 and copy this code. Go back to Settings and paste this code after formatting text in both fields. Click on Save. Now let's go to our website. We will find Currency Switcher added to the website. Now it's showing USD because of my location. But if someone opens the website from Europe, they will see the products in Euro currency. Now let's go back to the dashboard and add another app. Click on Apps and search for an app called Lux. Click on this app, Lux Product Reviews and Photos. Click on Add App and then Install App. Choose the beginner plan. Click here, click on Approve. Click on Let's Get Started. Click on Skip and then Continue. And skip right here, and click on Finish. Go to Import Reviews tab. Drag this blue button to the bookmarks bar. Now let's go to DSers app. Click on My Products, and here, you can see all products added to our store. We will go to the product page inside AliExpress in order to import product reviews. Let's choose this product for example, and click here on the Import to Lux in the bookmarks bar. Here select the same product at your store. Choose here 5 stars ratings only. And choose here, only reviews with photos. Click on Preview and Import. You will get all 5 stars reviews with photos for this product. If you like the image and the review, then click on Import. And if you don't like it, click on Reject. I will add some reviews from here and will go back to product page inside our store. Import is complete. Let's go now to the product page inside our store and check the imported reviews. Here you will have the stars, and if you go down, the imported reviews with photos will appear here. This kind of reviews will boost confidence and make people buy more. You have to do the same steps for all products in your store. Click on Apps here. You will find only 3 apps added to the store, and it's more than enough. Now, let's move to the last step and open our store for sales. In this step, we gonna open our store for sales and make test order. If anyone try to visit your store, they will see this screen. And in order to open our store for sales, go back to Dashboard and click on Preferences. Go down and untick Password Protected. Click on Save. Click Refresh here. Congratulations, your store is open and ready to receive your first order. Now, let's create test order and fulfill it through DSers app. I'm gonna choose this product here. Click on Buy It Now. Enter your details here and click on Continued Shipping. Here, we have the shipping plan assigned through Settings, which is free shipping for all countries. Click on Continue to Payment. And here, enter your payment details and click on Pay Now. Order is confirmed now. Let's go back to our store dashboard. In the dashboard, you will find all info about your daily sales, number of sessions, pending order to fulfill, And here you can see that we have won sales with value of $27.99. Click here on Orders to check order details. Here you will find info about product, customer, payment method, etc. And in order to fulfill the order, we go to DSers app. Click here on Open Orders. The order will appear here. First, choose shipping method. We gonna select AliExpress standard free shipping. Tick the order. Note that you can select multiple orders and fulfill them at once. Click on Place Order to AliExpress. Click on Confirm. And the status of the order changed from awaiting order to awaiting payment. Click on Awaiting Payment tab. Select the order and click on Make Payment. Now, we will be directed to AliExpress in order to put our payment details and finalize the order. Click on Pay Now. Enter your payment details. Note that you can pay using PayPal or credit card. After payment, you will reach to this confirmation page. If you go back to DSers, you will notice that order status is still awaiting payment. Status needs almost 12 hours to be updated to the next tab, which is awaiting shipment. 12 hours passed, and let us now check order status. Click on Open Orders. Order status has moved from awaiting payment to fulfilled. This is really quick fulfillment. And you can see here the shipment tracking number. Also, the customer will receive this email saying that your order is on the way, mentioning the shipment tracking number. If we copy the tracking number and go to a website like parcelapp.com and track it here, we will find all shipment details and expected date of delivery. And this is really amazing. And if you go to the Orders section in your store dashboard, the status will be fulfilled. And by this, we reach to the last part in building Shopify Dropshipping Store. Now let's move the next part and learn how to promote a dropshipping store using Facebook ads. First, we gonna create Facebook business page for our store. Click on Pages and click on Create New Page. Write your store name and then choose a category. I'll choose here Jewelry. Write here few words about your store and then click on Create Page. Upload your store logo and cover photo. The logo is ready with us, and in order to create cover photo, go to canva.com. Search here for Facebook cover. Click here on top and search for jewelry templates. Let's choose this one. It looks elegant. Change the wording here to awesome so we can have our brand name. Delete this one and then go up here and download the design. To save time, I have added the cover and logo, and it looks just perfect. We're gonna set a purchase button here. Click on Add a button. Select Shop on Website. Enter your store URL and click Save. You need to create multiple posts on your Facebook page so it doesn't look empty. Go to your website and select a product. Copy the URL. Go back to Facebook and click on Create Post. Paste the URL here. Write few words about your products. I will copy it from product description. Paste it here and click on Post. The post is published now, and if you click on it, it will take you to the product page inside your store. Note that you have to create multiple posts. The next step is to go to More, then About. Here, you have to insert some details, like your store URL, support email, etc. The next step is to go to Ads Manager and launch our first ad. Click on Ads Manager here. Click on Lines on the top right. And then click on Business Settings. Click here on Data Sources and choose Pixels. Click on Add and then Continue. Click on Set up the pixel now. And then select Manually Add Pixel. Copy pixel code. Go back to Shopify dashboard. Click on Online Store. Click on Action and select Edit Code. Click on Theme.Liquid. Here, after the headline, click Enter. And paste the pixel code. Click on Save. Go back to Facebook. Enter your website URL here and click on Send Test Traffic. And now the status of Pixel is turned to active. It means that Facebook now can read data on our store. Click on Continue. Click here. Enter website URL and click on Open Website. We gonna add important website events so Facebook can track it. Click on any product. Click on Track URL. Select here, URL contains. And delete everything after products. Click on Select an event and choose View Content. Select Don't Include Value and click Confirm. Click on Track New button. Select Add to Cart button. And choose here, Add to Cart event. Select Don't Include Value and click on Confirm. Go to Cart page. Click on Track URL and select Initiate Checkout event. Click on Confirm. Click here on Finish Setup. Now, we want to create custom conversions. Click on Add, and then create new custom conversion. We'll name it here Initiate Checkout. Go down here, and make sure that URL contains is selected. And write cart. Click on Create and then Done. Let's create another conversion. Right here Purchase. And here write thank_you. And click on Create. Now, we want to create Ad Account. Click on Add Accounts and select Create a new ad account. We'll call it here Jewelry Awesome. You can select your time zone and the desired currency. Click on Next. Select the current business manager here and click on Create. Activate all and click on Assign. Go back to Custom Conversions. We can assign it with a new ad account. Click on Initiate Checkout and then Add Assets. Select the new ad account here and click on Add. And we'll do the same for the second conversion, Purchase. The last step is to click on Pages here and link our new store page. Click on Add a Page. Enter the URL of our Facebook page. Copy it and paste it here. And click on Add Page. By this, we finish linking Facebook with our store. And now, let's start creating our first ad. Click up here and go to Ads Manager. Click on Create. Select Sales and click on Continue. Change the campaign name to your store name, Purchase. Click on Next. At Pixel, select Custom Conversions. The two conversions we created earlier will appear here. Let's optimize our ad for purchase conversion. Go down here and put $5 as daily budget to start with. Here, you gonna choose the countries that you want to sell to. But as discussed earlier, dropshipping stores will see good success when targeting USA, UK, Canada, and Australia. So I'm gonna add them here. Edit the age and select 23 years as minimum age. So we know that our targeted segments are not students and on a tight budget. And for gender, select women cause they will only be interested in our jewelry store. Detailed targeting is the most important part. We will choose here, people who are interested in jewelry. Click here on Define Further and add engaged shoppers. So our ad will only be shown to people who are interested in jewelry and at the same time they are engaged shoppers. So our ad success in this case will be higher. So based on our ad settings, Facebook indicates here that we might get 5 to 13 conversions, or in other words, purchases, and that's really great for $5 budget. Click on Next, and here, we gonna create ad visuals. Go back to your store and choose the best product. Right-click and save the product image. Click on Add Media, then Add Image. Click on Next, Next, and then Done. In the primary test, write something appealing to customers. I will copy part of the description and paste it here. Write also, free shipping worldwide. Go down and write Shop Now. Copy the product page URL and then go to URL shortener website. Paste it here and copy the short URL. Paste the short URL after Shop Now. Search for right arrow emoji, copy it, and paste it here. Our ad is almost ready, and it looks fabulous. Go down here and change call to action button to shop now. Go back to product page and copy page URL and paste it here. Go up here and change the headline to the product name, which is Rainbow Love Ring. Our ad is ready now. Go down here and click on Publish. We can see our campaign here. Click on it. We can create another ad set and add a different interest. Click on Duplicate. Go down here to Detailed Targeting. Click on Suggestions and choose Ring. And remove the jewelry interest. What we are doing here is to test multiple ad sets, each with different interest, so we can check which one will get us the highest conversion. Go up here and rename the ad set to Rings. Go down and click on Publish. We have now here 2 ad sets for different interests, but with the same visual ad. Our advice to you is to create at least 4 ad sets for every campaign. And here you can see your campaign. Try to create 3 to 4 campaigns promoting different products, and then focus on the one that converts the most. And by this, we reach to the end of this tutorial. If you have any question, leave it in the comments and we'll respond within 48 hours. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Take care.